So today we're going to talk about a very common question that many people have when they're preparing for technical interviews or coding interviews, which is, should I be worried about my code style during coding interviews, such as things like variable naming or line length or common linting issues? And the short answer to that question is that yes, it does matter. It's not something that's kind of like the point of main assessment, which means that, if you didn't solve the question at all, or if you didn't perform up to expectation at all, your code style is not going to be something that will kind of, save you from being eliminated from the hiring process. In scenarios where, for example, there's, let's say, behind the scene, there's another candidate who performed equally as well as you did, right? You guys both exceptionally solved the problem. Then, there has to be some kind of way to differentiate you guys' performances, because, for example, the headcount is only one. So in that kind of situation, little details such as code style will start to kind of appear as kind of the determining factor of whether that interview for you converted into an offer. So overall, if you're already very good at problem solving, you've done a lot of LeetCode, and you're still looking for kind of some little things you can do to really perfect even the most minute details of your problem solving process during a coding interview, you should actually actively pay attention to and incorporate practices of writing readable and maintainable code into your coding interview prep processes.
All right, we're aligned on the time and space complexity, ON time and ON space. Now go ahead and implement your solution.
Sounds good. So the first thing we're going to have to do is kind of make sure we have a way to map a number to its index, right? For the numbers that we already saw. So we're going to have to initiate this hash map first to kind of keep track of this dictionary. Then we're going to need to initiate the loop as we've discussed. Enumerate nums.
Yes, exactly. You'll use a loop with enumeration to get both the index and the value as you iterate. Then check for the complement in your hash map and store the current value's index if not found.